Hey there, Escambia County Public School teachers. Have you ever found yourself going along creating assignments and putting those assignments in the gradebook, only to realize that you've placed it in the wrong marking period? Well, fixing it is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and that's exactly what you're going to learn to do today in this Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. So let's get started. When you create an assignment, you'll notice that it automatically defaults to whatever current quarter you're in. The same thing with your dates. You do have the ability to come in and change those dates if you want to. For my example, I'm going to take and put this assignment back in quarter 1. When I add those dates here, I want you to notice that the marking period for this assignment does not automatically change. So if I don't notice that and come up to the top and click Save, I do get this warning box letting me know that the due date is not within the marking period. So an important reminder, if you create an assignment in the wrong marking period, you do run the risk of creating a change in your gradebook average, and that average may no longer match a posted grade if it's for a previous quarter. So it's very important to be mindful about where you place your assignments. So stop, evaluate, and then choose. If I click Confirm, the system will allow me to do this, and I can see my assignment sitting here, but the dates are incorrect. To fix that, it's very simple. Click the marking period, change the drop-down. Always come to the top and click Save. So again, if you find a mistake, it's easy to fix in Focus. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other recommended video here on the side and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new content. Fill out our content request form so that we keep creating those videos that are just for you, because that is a Byte of Tech.